everybody, this is Mike with UTV Stereo. Wanted to come to you with another new product we have. It's a universal reverse trigger we've made for both the Can-Ams and the Razors. Now come with me real quick and I'll show you how the install goes on a Can-Am. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do once you get your center console taken apart, is you're going to position the reverse switch underneath the shifter. And then you're going to set the car in reverse and make sure everything lines up so that the roller goes underneath the bottom of the shifter. And then you're going to drill your holes, there should be 3 of them, and then install your bolts. Alright, so now for the wiring on the switch. You'll notice on the Can-Ams there's going to be some extra slack. That was so the switch could work on either the Can-Am or the Razor. But basically what you do is just coil up the slack and run the blue wire here to your accessory post. And then your purple wire will go to whatever your accessory is that you want to trigger with the reverse, whether it be reverse lights or a PMX radio or whatever, or a backup camera. And that's about it. Alright, so once you have all your bolts tightened in the bracket and you're lined up underneath the shifter, these 2 bolts on the side that come pre-installed will come loose. And all you have to do is lift up on the switch until you just barely hear it click, and then tighten the bolts. You don't want to go too high with this because if you do, it will cause damage. So basically you want to make it so you can run the shifter back and forth and it clicks whenever you go into reverse. And that completes the install.